Keep your clothes clean while on the road with RecPro's RV washing machine and dryer combo. This washer and dryer have multiple program modes so that you can make precise adjustments to time, temperature, and more. To use the washing machine, press the on-off button to power on the machine. Pull out the drawer in the upper left side. Pour detergent into the left case, pre-detergent into the right case, and softener into the center case. Spin the dial to select a washing mode that best fits what you're washing, and make further adjustments with the control panel in the center. Open the door and put your clothes and other washable items in. Close the door and press start to begin washing. To use the dryer, press the power button to turn it on. Press dewrinkle to turn on dewrinkle if needed. Press program to choose the drying mode and temp to set the temperature. Take the clothes out of the washer, open the dryer door, and put your wash clothes in. Then close the door and press start to begin drying. This washer and dryer kit comes with mounting brackets, allowing the washer and dryer to be stacked on top of each other, saving you much needed space. If you're going to stack the washer and dryer, start by placing the rear bracket with the open side of the foot slot facing the front of the washing machine. Place it so that it is offset by the back of the machine by 2 3/4 inch. Install the screws through the holes in the bracket into the washing machine. Place the dryer on top of the washer and push it toward the rear so the dryer's rear feet slide into and under the rear bracket. Then slide the front stacking bracket under the front of the dryer. Lastly, install the screws through the holes on the front bracket side. If you'd like to see the dimensions for this product, we have them up on the screen so you can take a look. And if you'd like to learn more about this washer and dryer combo, click on the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.